An all-in-one PC declutters your desk, no tower, no tangle of cables, just a stunning display with the computer built right in. In 2026, they're more powerful and capable than ever. Whatever your space and needs, I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. The Acer Aspire C27 is the best value pick, delivering a spacious 27-inch display and capable everyday performance at an accessible price. For anyone who wants a capable all-in-one without spending much, the Aspire C27 delivers real everyday performance and a generous screen at a friend cost, ideal for home offices and family computing. The standout is the combination of a large 27-inch display and solid everyday performance at a value price, which handles browsing, productivity, and streaming smooth on a spacious screen. All at an accessible cost, a real value advantage. The clean, minimalist design declutters your desk, and the built-in speakers handle media playback well. The comfortable stand adjusts for ergonomic viewing, and the ample connectivity handles your peripherals. Acer's reputation for reliable, accessible computing backs it. For anyone who wants capable, spacious, all-in-one computing at the best value, the Acer Aspire C27 is the most value-forward, most accessible pick on this entire list. The MSI Modern AM272P is the sleek productivity pick, delivering a stylish, modern design with capable performance for everyday work and creative tasks. The standout is the combination of MSI's sleek contemporary design and solid productivity performance, which delivers smooth everyday computing on a display that looks stylish in any home office or living space. A real advantage for anyone who wants their all-in-one to look as good as it performs. The capable processor handles multitasking, browsing, and productivity software smooth, and the crisp display makes work and media comfortable to view. The clean, minimalist stand and cable management keep your desk tidy, and the ample connectivity handles peripherals easy. MSI's reputation for well-designed, capable computing gear backs it. For anyone who wants stylish, capable, everyday computing, the MSI Modern AM272P is the most design-focused, most stylish productivity pick on this entire list. The Asus V400 is the versatile touchscreen pick, delivering a responsive touch display alongside solid everyday performance for anyone who wants touch-based interaction built into their all-in-one. The standout is the touchscreen display combined with capable everyday performance, which lets you interact direct with your screen for browsing, creative apps, and everyday tasks, adding real versatility beyond keyboard and mouse and computing, a real advantage for anyone who values touch interaction. The capable processor handles multitasking and productivity smooth, and the crisp, responsive display makes touch input feel natural and precise. The clean, modern design suits home offices and shared spaces, and the ample connectivity handles peripherals. Asus's reputation for versatile, well-built computing gear backs it. For anyone who wants touch-based versatility in their all-in-one, the Asus V400 is the most touch-versatile, most interactive pick on this entire list. The Lenovo Yoga all-in-one AI PC is the AI-enhanced performance pick, delivering a dedicated NPU for on-device AI features alongside strong everyday computing power. The standout is the built-in AI processing unit combined with capable overall performance, which delivers efficient on-device AI features, from smart photo editing to background processing, while still handling everyday productivity and multitasking smooth. A real advantage for anyone who wants their all-in-one ready for the growing wave of AI-powered software. The premium, sleek Yoga design looks great in any home office, and the sharp display makes work and media comfortable to view. The clean cable management keeps your desk tidy, and Lenovo's Yoga reputation for quality all-in-ones backs it. For anyone who wants AI-ready performance in their all-in-one, the Lenovo Yoga AIO PC is the most AI-forward, most future-ready pick on this entire list. Closing out the list with the Lenovo Yoga all-in-one AI PC Aura Edition, the premium flagship pick, stepping up from the standard Yoga AIO with Aura Edition enhancements, including a larger 32-inch display and refined premium features. The standout is the larger, more immersive 32-inch display combined with Lenovo's premium Aura Edition treatment, which delivers more screen real estate for productivity and creative work, alongside refined design touches and enhanced features that push beyond the standard Yoga AIO model. A real advantage for anyone who wants Lenovo's most premium all-in-one experience. The capable AI processing and strong everyday performance handle, demanding workflows smooth, and the premium build quality feels high-end. Lenovo's Aura Edition branding reflects top-tier engineering investment. For anyone who wants the most premium, largest screen Lenovo all-in-one, the Yoga AIO Aura Edition is the most premium, most flagship Lenovo pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing, because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right all-in-one PC, smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Hack for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.